Selling your home? Take advantage of the 3 Ps of selling real estate, not the old Ps that most agents still use. You know, paste in the MLS, plop a sign in the ground, and pray. That's no way to sell a home in today's market. At Maryland Real Estate Professionals, we use the new 3 Ps: preparation, promotion, and pricing. Learn more about the MDRE Pros difference at www.selling3ps.com. Work with Maryland Real Estate Professionals, and sell faster, sell smarter, sell for more. Unlock the magic at www.selling3ps.com. Sell with today's technology. www.selling3ps.com.